Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. For the past month or so, I thought about making a response video on the Cambridge statement. They've also subsequently released another statement regarding the paper leaks, where they have told you that if you're not satisfied with the solution that they've put up, you can go ahead and retake the exam in November. Whether you should or should not depends on the results that you get. The initial statement said that everyone's going to get full marks for the questions that were leaked. So that's going to drive the threshold up. But it's certainly the case that some people had the entire exam. How is that going to affect you? It's certainly going to drive the threshold up because those kids will be outliers in the entire data set. How much will the threshold go up? No one knows. Will the grades be distorted? No one knows again. We will be able to answer that question once we have the grades. No one will be able to reverse engineer the grades either. What you should do in the meanwhile is to pray for yourself, wait for the results, and hope for the best.